What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. That's right, the fan edition. This is the wide angle video at 1080p 30 frames per second. Now it doesn't do wide angle at 60 frames per second but it does do it at 30 frames per second at 1080p. Also 4K 30 frames per second it does wide angle. So but this is 1080p. I just wanted to kind of show you guys the the resolution, how it looks, all that stuff, stabilization. So you can also punch in here. You can switch from the ultra wide to the regular standard wide, and then you could also go in here 3x zoom. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys the wide angle at 1080p 30. It only does the standard at 1080 60 frames per second. So just keep that in mind as you use this camera. As we come over here, check out the little doggy. What's up, girl? You doing all right? Yeah, she's chilling. But the quality on the Samsung phones is pretty good. Let's check out the Razor Focus here. Razor Focus. Yeah, looks pretty good to me. Usually Samsung is a little tough with the focus, but looks good on the wide angle. So and like I said, you could zoom in, zoom out. You could do that little punch to zoom. Also, that's 1 time. Then there's 3 times. Then you go back to the but it's just a beautiful day out here, and I just wanted to kind of do some sample videos so that you guys can see. Now I'm walking, so let me know how smooth this is as I walk real fast. Pan over. I'm not gonna jog like a moron, okay? People don't jog with their phones and take video. I don't, yeah. All right. But, yeah, this video looks pretty good. We'll do some pans here so that you guys can see. Man, what a beautiful day. And that's a good thing about the wide angles. It looks impressive. So you're at the beach, you're on the mountains, maybe going skiing, hitting the slopes, you know what I mean? And this IP68, so you're going to be all right if it rains or anything like that. But this is just a lovely, lovely, lovely video here on the 1080p 30. But that's going to do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this wide angle goodness from Samsung at 1080p 30. Peace, party people.